Construction of perpendicular to a line from a point not lying on it. Using a ruler and set squares, let M be a line and P be a point lying outside the line M. Place either of the set squares on the line M as shown here. Now, hold the set square fixed and place a ruler along the longest edge, as shown in figure B, opposite the right angle of the set square. Hold the ruler firmly and slide the set square along the scale until the point P coincides with the other arm of the set square as shown here. Draw a line PQ along this arm through P as shown here. Remove the set square and the ruler. PQ is the required line which is perpendicular to the line M and passes through P. Using a ruler and compasses, let L be a line and P be a point outside the line L. With P as center and with any radius, draw an arc cutting the line L at A and B as shown here. With A and B as centers and with radius greater than half AB, draw two arcs on the other side of the line L intersecting each other at Q as shown here. Join PQ and produce it in both the directions to form the line PQ. Then the line PQ is the required line. Construction of perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Using a ruler and set squares, let L be a line and P be a point on the line L. Place the ruler so that one of its longer edges lies along the line L. Holding the ruler fixed, place a set square ABC as shown here. Slide the set square along the edge of the ruler until A coincides with P. Holding the set square fixed in this position and removing the ruler, draw with a sharp pencil a line PQ along the edge AB as shown here. PQ is the required line perpendicular to the line L through the point P. Using a ruler and compasses, let L be a line and P be a point on it. With P as center and a convenient radius, draw a semicircle that intersects the line L at 2 points R and S as shown here. With R as center and any radius greater than half of RS, draw an arc as shown here. With center S and the same radius as in step 2, draw another arc cutting the arc drawn in step 2 at Q as shown here. Join PQ and produce it in both the direction to form the line PQ. As shown here, PQ is the required line. Constructing an angle of measure 120 degree. Take a pencil and a scale. Draw a ray OX with O as center and any convenient radius. Draw an arc cutting OX at A. With A as center and with the same radius, draw an arc cutting the previous arc at B. With B as center and with the same radius, draw an arc cutting the arc in step 2 at C. Join OC and produce it to get a ray OY. The angle XOY is of measure 120 degree. Constructing an angle of 90 degree. In this figure, join OB and produce it to get a ray OZ. Bisect the angle YOZ, then angle XOT equal to 90 degree. Alternatively, construct a perpendicular on the ray OX at the point O. Construction of angles with special measures. Draw a ray, say OX, with O as center and any convenient radius. Draw an arc cutting OX at A. With A as center and the same radius, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at B. Join OB and produce it to get a ray OY. Then angle XOY is equal to 60 degree. Constructing an angle of measures 30 degree and 15 degree. Construct an angle of 60 degree as shown earlier. Bisect the angle. each angle is of measure 30 degree. Now bisect the angle of measure 30 degree. Each angle then is of measure 15 degree. Constructing an angle equal to the given angle. Let ABC be an angle whose measure is not known. Draw a line L and mark a point P on it, as shown here. Place the compasses at B and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle ABC at X and Y as shown here. With the same setting of the compasses, draw an arc with P as center, cutting the line L at Q as shown here. With Q as center and radius equal to XY, cut the previous arc at R as shown here. Join PRQ as shown here. Angle RPQ is the required angle equal to angle ABC. Constructing the bisector of an angle. Let angle ABC be the given angle. With B as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc intersecting the arms AB and AC at P and Q respectively. With P and Q as centers and radius greater than half PQ, draw two arcs intersecting each other at R. Join BR and produce it to get the ray BR. The ray BR is the angle bisector of an angle ABC. Construction of the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Draw a line segment AB as shown here, taking A and B as centers and radius greater than half AB. Draw two circles. Let the two circles intersect at point P and Q as shown here. Join P and Q. Let it cut AB at O as shown here. PQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendiculars. Two lines or line segments or rays are said to be perpendiculars if they intersect each other at right angles. Here, the lines L and M are perpendicular because they intersect, making a right angle of 90 degree.